grind won't stop, hustle won't quit. Shine like no other, I be on some other shit. I got a high price lifestyle, super bad, bad. If I want it, bet I got it. If I don't bet, all I gotta do is go. Get, stay about my business. Ball till I fall, floss until I finish. I did go, get, stay.
Another day in life on Maui. So headed to the kitchen right now so I can continue to make some awesome recipes for you guys. And check out the view. This is Waikoo Road in Wailuku. It's called, so guys, looking at this mountain right here, it's called Pu'ukukui. And it is one of the wettest mountains in the world. I believe it rains every day, and this is our water source that supplies a lot of Maui. Yeah. Now you can see right here the yellow bushes. You know how dry it is, so all you drinkers and smokers, please do not litter here. That's how you start a fire. Cigarette butts, beer bottles, especially glass, broken glass. You see all that dry. Yeah, headed to Maalaya behind us here. If you go left at this stoplight, that's on your way to Kihei, the south side of the island. Alright, you see the ocean. I got 1 minute to get to work. Start at 10:30. See if I can make it to work on time. So the first street light before Carl's Jr. You got Maui Dolphin Sports Center. They got like a mini pool with bumper boats, rock climbing, and trampoline. And here we got Carl's Jr. Hard to see. And look at this way. Coming up would be Maui Ocean Center. And then construction. I think of it could be Starbucks, guys. Starbucks in Mahalaya coming soon. There, you see that building that was like a bowl at the Ocean Center. You guys gotta pay for parking. To let you know. Almost everything is paid parking. And here is Buzz's Wharf, called Off the Wall, Malai Harbor. Right now, the only harbor that is doing tours right now